Trigonometry, Part 13.
Hi, hello everyone. For this session, we will discuss few 4 marks problems. So, see the first one. If none of the denominators is 0, so because of if denominators are 0, then it is undefined. And prove that sum of these two is equals to 2 cot power n a minus b by 2 if n is even. If n is odd, then this value is 0. Okay. So let's see here, consider this value. Consider cos a plus cos b. So divide by sin a minus sin b. So whole to the power of n plus sin a plus sin b. So divide by cos a minus cos b all to the power of n. So clearly it in the form of cos c plus cos d. So you know that cos c plus cos d formula 2 cos c plus d by 2 and cos c minus d by 2. So see here, this can be written as 2 cos a plus b by 2 and cos a minus b by 2. So divide by sin c minus sin d form. So that is what 2 cos a plus b by 2 sin a minus b by 2. So whole to the power of n. So here 2 get cancelled, cos a plus b by 2, cos a plus b by 2 get cancelled. Now this is what sin a plus sin b. So clearly it in the form of sin c plus sin d. So you know that sin c plus sin d formula 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. So this is 2 sin a plus b by 2. Next cos a minus b by 2. So divide by cos c minus cos d formula. So what is that formula? Minus 2 sin c plus d by 2. Here c is a and d is b. So clear this is a plus b by 2 sin a minus b by 2. Okay. So whole to the power of n. So here also 2 get cancelled, sin a plus b by 2, sin a plus b by 2 get cancelled. Now cos by sin is cot. So this is cot power n a minus b by 2. And here plus, so minus is there, minus 1 whole to the power of n and remaining cos by sin, that is cot power n. So cot power n a minus b by 2. Okay. So see here are two possibilities. First possibility, if n is even, okay, if n is even, then minus 1 power n value. Okay. So what is minus 1 power n value? If n is even, minus 1 power 2, you will get 1. Minus 1 power 4, you will get 1. So clearly, if n is even, then minus 1 power n value is 1. So therefore, equation 1 implies cot power n a minus b by 2 plus cot power n a minus b by 2. So what you get? 2 cot power n a minus b by 2. Okay. So next case, if n is odd, if n is odd, then clearly minus 1 power n is negative. See here, then minus 1 power n value is minus 1. So because of minus 1 power 1, minus 1, minus 1 power 3, minus 1. So clearly if n is odd, then minus 1 power n value is minus 1. So substitute here, then equation 1 implies cot power n a minus b by 2 minus 1 power n value, minus 1 cot power n a minus b by 2. So clearly both terms are get cancelled. You will get 0. So therefore if n is even, then what is this value? See here, 2 cot power n a minus b by 2. And second possibility, if n is odd, so what you got this value? 0. This is the required answer. So see the second one. If secant of theta plus alpha plus secant of theta minus alpha is 2 sec theta, then prove that cos theta value is plus or minus root 2 cos alpha by 2. See here, consider this value. So given sec of theta plus alpha plus sec of theta minus alpha is equal to 2 sec theta. Now secant theta can be written as 1 by cos theta. See here, this is 1 by cos of theta plus alpha plus 1 by cos of theta minus alpha is equals to 2 by cos theta. So clearly what is the LCM here? Cos of theta plus alpha into cos of theta minus alpha is the LCM. So numerator is what? Cos of theta minus alpha plus cos of theta plus alpha. So this is equals to 2 by cos theta. So you know that cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b form 2 cos a cos b. So clear, this is 2 cos theta cos alpha. So divide by, again cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b form. So cos square a minus sin square b. So clear, this is cos square theta minus sin square alpha. Okay. So this is a and this is b. So here also this is a, this is b, and this is a, this is b. Here also this is a, this is b. So cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b is 2 cos a cos b. Cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b is cos square a minus sin square b. So this is equals to 2 by cos theta. So both side 2 get cancelled. Now cross multiplication. Cos square theta cos alpha is equal to cos square theta minus sin square alpha. See here, send minus sin square alpha left side and cos square theta cos alpha right side. Then it becomes sin square alpha is equals to what? Cos square theta minus cos square theta cos alpha. So this is cos square theta cos alpha. So here sin square alpha this is equals to, here cos square theta is common. So cos square theta is common. You will get 1 minus cos alpha. Okay. So how to write sin alpha formula? See here, that is 2 sin alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2 whole square. This is equal to cos square theta into 1 minus cos alpha formula. So that is 2 sin square alpha by 2. Okay. So this is what? 4 sin square alpha by 2 cos square alpha by 2. So this is equal to cos square theta into 2 sin square alpha by 2. So sin square alpha by 2 sin square alpha by 2, 2 1 0 2 2 0. Okay. So clearly cos square theta is equals to what? 2 cos square alpha by 2. So from this you need to find cos theta. So therefore cos theta is equal to plus or minus root 2 cos alpha by 2. So this is the required answer. So see the next question. Cos x plus cos y is 4 by 5. Cos x minus cos y is 2 by 7. Then find this value. See here. Given cos x plus cos y is equal to 4 by 5. This is equation 1. And cos x minus cos y is equals to 2 by 7. This is equation 2. See here, equation 1 by equation 2. So here what you get, cos x plus cos y divided by cos x minus cos y. Here 4 by 5 divided by 2 by 7. Now cos c plus cos d formula. This is what, 2 cos x plus y by 2 cos x minus y by 2. So divide by, and cos c minus cos d formula, minus 2 sin x plus y by 2 sin x minus y by 2. So this is equal to 4 by 5 into 7 by 2. So 2 1 ja 2 2 ja. Now here 2 get cancelled. See here. So cos by sin is what? Cot. Cot x plus y by 2. So this can be written as sin by cos, that is divided by tan x minus y by 2. Here minus is there. So this is equals to 14 by 5. Now cross multiplication. Minus 14 tan x minus y by 2 is equal to 5 cot x plus y by 2. So send right side, then it becomes 14 tan x minus y by 2 plus 5 cot x plus y by 2 is equals to what? 0. So that is the value of 14 tan x minus y by 2 plus 5 cot x plus y by 2. So see the next fourth one. Prove that this value is 3 by 4. So here consider the LHS. So what is LHS? Cos square 76 degrees plus cos square 16 minus cos 76 cos 16. Okay. So here I am writing cos square theta as 1 minus sin square theta. So see here, cos square 76 plus 1 minus sin square 16. Okay. So cos square theta write as 1 minus sin square 16. So because of you have cos square a minus sin square b formula. So that's why I am writing cos square as 1 minus sin square theta. So see here we have 2 cos a cos b formula, that is cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b. So for that here you want to, so multiply and divide with 2. Okay, 2 cos is 76 cos 16. Now this is what, 1 plus cos square 76 minus sin square 16. So minus 1 by 2 into 2 cos 76 cos 16. Okay. So here one formula is cos square a minus sin square b formula. So what is that? Cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b. And second one, 2 cos a cos b formula. So what is that? Cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b. So we have to apply these two formulas here. So here a is equal to 76, b is equal to 16. So therefore this is cos square a minus sin square b. Cos of a plus b, that is cos of 76 plus 16, that is 92, into cos of a minus b, 76 minus 16, that is 60, minus 1 by 2 into 2 cos a cos b formula, cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b, that is cos of a plus b is 92 plus cos 60. Okay. See here 1 plus cos 60 value is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 into cos 92. And this one minus 1 by 2 cos 92. So here minus 1 by 2 into cos 60 value 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2 cos 92 plus 1 by 2 cos 92 get cancelled. So this is 1 minus 1 by 4. You will get 3 by 4. So this is RHS. So see the next one. Prove that this value is tan alpha by 2. So first we have to consider LHS. See here what is LHS value. Sine of n plus 1 into alpha. So multiplying alpha inside. See here, that is sine n alpha plus alpha. So here also multiplying alpha inside. That is minus sine alpha n alpha minus alpha. So divide by. So you have to write first and last one first. And again multiplying alpha inside for two terms. So what you get? Cos n alpha plus cos n alpha minus alpha. So remaining term plus 2 cos n alpha. See here, sine of a plus b minus sine of a minus b. See here, sine of a plus b minus sine of a minus b formula. So what is that? 2 cos a sin b. Denominator, cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b. See here, cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b formula. 2 cos a cos b. So you have to apply these two formulas here. So clearly numerator is sine of a plus b minus sine of a minus b, that is 2 cos a sin b. So 2 cos n alpha sin alpha. So divide by cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b, 2 cos a cos b, that is 2 cos n alpha cos alpha plus 2 cos n alpha. So this is 2 cos n alpha into sin alpha divided by, in both terms 2 cos n alpha is common. So 2 cos n alpha is common. You will get cos alpha plus 1. So 2 cos n alpha get cancelled. So what is sin alpha formula? Half angles. So this is 2 sin alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2. So here we have to apply half angle formulas. And 1 plus cos theta, 2 cos square theta by 2. So that is 2 cos square alpha by 2. So 2 get cancelled, 1 cos get cancelled. So this is what? Sin alpha by 2 by cos alpha by 2. Sin by cos is tan. So clear, this is tan alpha by 2. So this is the required answer. So next we will discuss few 2 marks problems. So see the first one. Prove that cos 12 plus cos 84 plus cos 132 plus cos 156 value is minus 1 by 2. So see here, solution. Consider the LHS. So you have to write first term and third term first. So what is that? Cos 12 plus cos 132. And write second and last term. Cos 84 plus cos 156. Now you have to apply cos C plus cos D formula. Here also cos C plus cos D formula. So what is that? 2 cos C plus D by 2. That is 12 plus 132 by 2. And cos 12 minus 132 by 2. So here also same. 2 cos 84 plus 156 by 2 cos 84 minus 156 by 2. So this is 2 cos 144 divided by 2, and this one cos of minus 120 by 2, and this one 2 cos 156 plus 84 240 by 2, and cos, this is minus 72 by 2. Okay, so clear, this is 2 cos 72. Next this one, cos of minus theta is cos theta only, you will get cos 60. Next this one plus 2 cos 120, this is cos of minus theta cos theta, you will get cos 36. So here this is 2 into cos of 90 minus 18, cos 60 value is 1 by 2, and plus 2 cos of 90 plus 30 and cos 36. So 2 get cancelled. Cos of 90 minus theta, sin theta. So this is sin 18 plus 2 into this is minus sin 30. So minus 1 by 2 cos 36. So 2 get cancelled. What is sin 18 value? See here. Sin 18 value is root 5 minus 1 by 4 minus cos 36 value root 5 plus 1 by 4. So this is LCM is 4, root 5 minus 1 minus root 5 minus 1. So minus root 5 plus root 5 get cancelled. This is minus 2 by 4. You will get minus 1 by 2. So this is the required answer. So see the second solution. Find the value of sin 34 plus cos 64 minus cos 4. See here. Given sin 34 plus cos 64 minus cos 4. So here we have to apply cos C minus cos D formula. See here, this is sin 34. You know that cos C minus cos D minus 2 sin C plus D by 2, that is 68 by 2. And sin C minus D by 2, 64 minus 4, that is 60 by 2. So 2 1 ja 230, 2 1 ja 234. So this is sin 34 minus 2 sin 34 into sin 30 value 1 by 2. So 2 get cancelled. This is sin 34 minus sin 34. So clear, this value is 0. So this is the required answer. So see the third solution. Prove that 4 times of cos 66 plus sin 84 value is root 3 plus root 15. So here consider the LHS. So what is that? 4 into cos 66 plus sin 84. So we have sin C plus sin D and cos C plus cos D formulas. So but here one term is cos and another term is sin. So we have to change either sin into cos or cos into sin. So this is 4 into cos 66. So this can be written as cos of 90 minus theta. So 90 minus 84. So this is what 4 times of cos 66 plus cos of 90 minus 84, cos 6. So you have to apply cos C plus cos D form. So what is that? 4 into 2 cos C plus D by 2 and cos C minus D by 2. So 4 into 2 is 8. 8 into cos 66 plus 6, 72 by 2 and cos 60 by 2. So this is 8 cos 36 cos 30. So this is equals to 8 cos 36 value root 5 plus 1 by 4 and cos 30 value root 3 by 2. So clearly 8 get cancelled, root 3 plus root 5, root 15 plus root 3. So this is the required answer. So see the fourth solution. Prove that cos 20 cos 40 minus sin 5 sin 20 value is so see the fourth one. Prove that cos 20 cos 40 minus sin 5 sin 25 value is root 3 plus 1 by 4. So here consider the LHS. So what is that? Cos 20 cos 40 minus sin 5 sin 25. Now we have 2 cos A cos B and 2 sin A sin B formulas. So for that we have to multiply and divide with 2. That is 1 by 2 times of 2 cos 20 cos 40. Again this is minus 1 by 2 times of 2 sin 5 sin 25. See here 1 by 2 into 2 cos A cos B form. Cos of A plus B cos 60 plus cos of A minus B cos of minus 20. And this one minus 1 by 2 into 2 sin A sin B formula. Cos of A minus B 5 minus 25 minus 20 minus cos of A plus B 5 plus 25 is cos 30. Now this is 1 by 2 into cos 60 value 1 by 2. Cos of minus 20 is cos 20 only. And minus 1 by 2 into cos 20 minus cos 30 value root 3 by 2. So 1 by 2 cos 20 or minus 1 by 2 cos 20 get cancelled. So 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 1 by 4. So minus into minus plus root 3 into 1 root 3 by 4. So this is root 3 plus 1 by 4. So this is the required answer. So for next session we will discuss more concept.